Speeding up or slowing down clips in iMovie is important for several reasons. Adjusting clip speed can control the pacing of your video. Speeding up clips can create a sense of urgency or excitement, while slowing them down can add drama or emphasize specific moments. Speeding up clips allow you to compress time, making lengthy processes or events more concise and engaging. This is useful for tutorials, demonstrations, or time-lapse sequences. Slowing down clips can capture intricate details, highlight subtle movements, or create a cinematic and dreamy effect. Speed changes can emphasize specific actions or reactions in your video. For example, you can slow down a moment of surprise or speed up a sequence to show efficiency. Adjusting clip speed can help synchronize video with audio. This is valuable when you want to ensure that the visuals match the tempo or rhythm of background music or voiceovers. Speed changes can create smooth transitions between clips, reducing abrupt jumps in time or scene changes. By manipulating clip speed, you can control the flow of your story, emphasizing key plot points or controlling the progression of events. In educational video, varying clip speed can be used to demonstrate concepts such as illustrating the difference between fast and slow processes. Speed adjustments allow for creative experimentation, enabling you to explore unique visual styles and effects that enhance your video's artistic appeal. In summary, speeding up or slowing down clips in iMovie is a versatile tool that provides greater control over the pacing, storytelling, and visual impact of your videos. It allows you to tailor your content to better engage and inform your audience. To create a dramatic effect, I will change the speed for different sections of a clip. Tap on the clip that you want to either speed up or slow down. Tap on Speed on the Edit menu. To edit the speed of a specific section of the clip, drag the yellow handles to correspond with the section of the clip you want to modify. You can mark the start of the section by dragging the yellow handle on the left and mark the end of the section by dragging the yellow handle on the right. Then move the speed slider to either speed up or slow down a section. You can speed up as much as 2 times and slow down as much as 1/8 speed. You can also freeze a frame of the clip. First, identify the frame that you want to freeze, tap Freeze, drag the yellow handle on the right to change the length of time that the frame will freeze. On the same clip, you can change the speed of a different section by tapping on the section that you want to either slow down or speed up. Drag the yellow handles to highlight the section you want to speed up or slow down, then adjust the speed.